At Edwards, we pride ourselves on being American-made. It used to be a small family-owned company and grown into a much larger corporation, but we've still kept the same core values of family, and we work together as a team. We listen to our customers. If you call Edwards, you're going to get an answer. You're going to get your parts sent out. Our customers give us input on ways to improve products that they may need in their shop, and we've built a lot of our new equipment, tooling, accessories based off of that feedback. We couldn't do what we do here without the help of our production team. They are the backbone of the organization and put all the work into the equipment that goes out the door. Any company can claim that they're made in the USA, but they don't have the longevity that Edwards has. We've been around since 1875. We're not going anywhere anytime soon, and we're going to continue innovating for years to come.